Yo, babe, I'm in a fix, so see, I don't think I have anything to wear. There's nothing new in my wardrobe.
Just check. I think you'd find something.
This one is not a matter of check, oh. There's nothing there. I think I'm due for some shopping.
So what's stopping you? You still have enough time?
Time. This one is money issue. I'm no funds.
But you were just paid for your supermodel job.
I know, but you know what I used it for now? But you don't forget.
Oh. I remember. And speaking of that, where is it?
I don't know. Yeah, I'm still waiting. It's not been delivered yet, but I'm still waiting. Speaking of the devil, give me 1 minute. David, a while for you. No, my phone has been with me all day and I have not received a single call from you. In fact, just forget about it. We don't have to argue about this. So, what's the situation on ground? Are you serious? No, just wait there. I'll come to your shop now, I'm coming. Just hold on. I'm a new car owner!
Are you serious? Oh my god!
I need to go get it now. Would you just escort me, yeah?
Of course, let's go.
All right. Yeah. Give me 1 minute, let me just get
Be fast, let's go, I beg.
Let's go. What's up, people?
Hello. How are you?
Would you like to take a ride in my auto?
Please, where's my father?
How am I supposed to know?
Didn't you come in together?
Nope, I came in to discuss Gina.
But I just heard the gates open and a car drive in.
Oh yes, that was me opening the gate for Gina.
Our very own dramatic Tayo now needs the gate to be open before she can enter the house.
No, not that. I had to open the gate for Gina to park my car.
Did you just say your car?
Yes, I did.
You bought a car?
Oh, yes.
Oh my god, congratulations!
Thank you.
Wow. So you cannot take me to school every morning.
Well, I have to think about that. Oh, so does anybody want to see my new car?
Yay, me!
You don't seem happy for me.
No, Tayo. I am happy for you. But did you tell Dad about this?
It's meant to be a surprise.
Does he know that you're buying this car? Because I am not so sure that this will be a pleasant surprise for him. That's all I'm saying.
But isn't he supposed to be happy that I am finally doing something for myself as a father?
No, Tayo. Not like buying a car. Not like buying a car.
And you have to show Uncle Buchi
Definitely.
and Auntie Amaka.
Only if I have to.
Oh, you have to. Oh. You know she will cause wahala if you don't.
Whether I show her or not, it will still cause wahala. So I'm choosing not to show her.
I'm not there. Oh. You want to face the wrath of Hurricane Amaka. You know, as Daddy calls her. Good evening, Daddy.
Hello, girls.
Good evening, Dad. Hope you had a good day.
Yes, I did. Where is the guest?
What guest? Oh, you mean the car? Well, your baby girl just bought herself a car.
You what? You bought a car? For what? Can you drive?
I'll just learn how to drive.
Shut up! You don't know anything about driving or maintaining a car and you go and buy one? I want that car out of this house first thing in the morning. That's final.
This is not fair.
Tayo, are you okay?
How can I be okay? Huh? Girls younger than I am have cars on campus, some given to them by their fathers. But what happens to Tayo?
But you know he did that out of concern for you, right?
Yeah, right. So you'd rather that I be at the mercy of my friends every day, Abby? Or that I be jumping cabs up and down in these days of ritual killing, Abby?
God forbid. That's not your portion, Tayo. Stop talking like that, I beg.
Becky. Anyway, I can't wait to move out of this house.
Don't be silly. You know that will never happen. Dad will never allow you.
Okay. Just wait till I'm done with school. Think I won't move out of this house. Watch now.
Okay now. We're all in this house together. Let's wait till then. Come and move out, let's see.
Bobby, are you ready?
Yes, Dad.
Good morning, Dad.
Let's go.
Morning, Dad.
Morning. Let's go. Or you want to roll with Shadi?
No, I'll go with you.
Okay then. Oh, Tayo, you would go with us to Yaba?
No, thank you, sir. I'll hitch a ride with Shade.
Okay then.
Bye.
Okay. Let's go.
Nah, thanks. I'll take a cab.
I don't get it. You just refused to take a ride with Dad because you wanted to ride with me. And now you want to take a cab.
Actually, Chicks is coming to pick me up.
Novage. Should have said that and save us all the trouble now. Anyway, have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Finally. Madam, what took you so long now?
Traffic everywhere.
Yeah?
Everywhere was blocked. I had to take dozen shortcuts. Driving in the city is just crazy, I swear.
I know. Maybe I should just start hitching a ride with Shade. So I'll come meet you in your house that way, eh? And then we can go from there. That should be faster, Abby.
That's actually not a bad idea. Maybe you could meet me up at my junction every morning and then we ride to school.
Perfect. Makes a lot of sense.
So, how long are we going to keep it for? The car?
For as long as I can, I guess.
What if your dad finds out?
He won't find out. Trust me. See, moreover, if we go by your advice, all I have to do is change the color of the car. And then it's always with you. So you would never, ever suspect anything.
Wow, you're right.
I am always right. So, tell me, are you going to attend Bosie's party?
No. I have somewhere to go to first thing tomorrow morning with my mom. You?
Me? I will not miss that party for any gold in the world.
Are you sure?
Me, that I've already put out what I'll wear.
Tayo, I know you are upset about the car. But with time, you would understand the reason why I had to do what I did. I'm happy you listened to me. These days I hear stories about children disobeying their parents, and it saddens my heart.
Yeah.
I promise that when you finish your university education, I'll buy you a small car. Something you can maintain easily.
Thanks, Dad.
Alright, Daddy. I'll be in my room.
Morning, Dad. Bye, Bumi.
Where are you rushing to?
Oh, I have an early lecture.
And you can't wait for me to give you a ride?
No, Dad. Thank you. By the way, I'll be coming back a bit late today. I have a small photo shoot this evening.
I thought you said you were gonna help me make my hair.
I still would do that, okay?
All right.
I'll come back immediately after my lectures before I go for my photo shoot.
Okay, thanks.
If it's too late, call me, I'll come pick you up. Instead of stressing yourself getting a cab at night in these crazy times.
Oh, don't worry, Daddy. If I do finish late, I would have one of my friends who happens to have cars bring me back home. Do have a nice day, Dad. Bumi.
Noted, Tayo. I guess Tayo is seizing every opportunity to get back at me because of the car thing.
Hey, you.
Bumi, please go to your room for a minute. Now!
Are you in trouble or something?
And you, sit down. I said sit! Sit down! How could you, Tayo? How could you? You told Dad you were going to return the car, but it was a lie.
How did you find out?
Because lies always come back to hit us in the face. I saw you and Gina coming out of that supermarket today.
Okay, fine. You saw us, fine. See, Shade, it's not easy. Giving up something that you wanted so badly for so long.
Oh, please, Tayo. Maybe. But the minute you agreed to return that car, you should have kept your word.
It's not as easy as it sounds, Shade. I guess you're going to tell Dad now. Fine.
Not necessarily. Look, if you agree to return that car today, I might just decide to forget what I saw.
Are you serious? Thank you.
Oh, please.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Don't want to get you a double blow if I can avoid it. Thanks. Oh, please don't thank me yet, Tayo. Just fix this. Do the right thing for once.
Thank you. How did she find out? Oh, this girl now wish. Huh? Bumi! Come, let's finish your hair.
That's your sister self, eh? She too para.
Mother Teresa.
You guys leave her beg. She was right. What I did was wrong.
So what are you going to do?
I'll do what I'm supposed to do. Return the car like I promised my dad.
Oh, okay.
So, how are we going to go to the party?
I don't know. I haven't even thought about that.
Hope we don't have to rely on any stupid boy, Sha. Once they take you to a party, they want to decide who you dance with or talk to.
But we don't have a choice here. We have to dance and talk to who they want us to.
It depends.
On?
There is really no difference between tonight and tomorrow morning.
What do you mean, Lara?
We could go to the party with the car and you could return it in the morning. Think about it. We go to the party with it, you pack it in my house, and you take a cab home, and tomorrow morning off to the car dealer.
Gina, you think?
Well, it's probably too late for you to return it. I don't know, it's your choice.
Dad, you still here?
What do you want me to do? And her phone is switched off.
Oh my God. Why is Tayo doing this?
Hello? Yes, it's me. Yes, I am. What? When?
What is it, Dad? What is it?
It's Tayo. She was involved in an accident.
What? Oh my goodness.
She's very lucky. Except for the fracture and some bruises. She's okay, but the car was a write-off.
She doesn't have the car. Must be her friend's car.
Well, if you say so. But when she asked after the car and we told her it was a write-off, she said you were going to kill her.
She didn't return the car? How are you, Manny? I'm you.
Daddy, I'm so sorry. I should have listened to you.
It's okay, darling. We all have to learn from our mistakes, as costly as they sometimes are.